Hi, this is Guy from Permobil. Keeping your wheelchair and its accessories clean and disinfected is an important but often overlooked part of routine maintenance. It can help ensure your product look good, continue to function well, and most importantly, it can help to limit the spread of bacteria and viruses. Today we will take a look at how to clean some of the most common Permobil products. For Rojo line of cushions, remove the hook fastener pieces from the bottom of the cover. Proceed by removing the cover from the cushion and wash with light colors. You may either machine wash the cover in cold water with mild detergent on the gentle cycle or wipe the cover clean with a neutral detergent and warm water. Once you have the cover cleaned, tumble dry on low. After thorough cleaning, surfaces which come into direct contact with the user or caregivers can be treated with an EPA-registered disinfectant. Always remember to follow manufacturer's instruction for the product you are using. To disinfect the cover after cleaning, hand wash the cover in cold water using 1 part household liquid bleach per 9 parts water. Keep the cover wet with bleach solution for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly or machine wash in hot water. Then tumble dry on low. It's important to remember to also clean the cushion itself. With the cover still removed, make sure to close all the inflation valves on the cushion and place the cushion in a large sink. Hand wash using a mild liquid hand soap, hand dishwashing liquid laundry detergent, or a multi-purpose detergent. Use a soft plastic bristle brush, sponge or cloth, and gently scrub all the surfaces until clean. Rinse with fresh water and allow to air dry. To disinfect the cushion after cleaning, mix 1 part liquid bleach per 9 parts water. Keep the product wet with the bleach solution for 10 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with clean water. Hang and allow to air dry. For a comfort line of cushions, remove the cover from the cushion prior to the washing or drying. To hand wash, use warm water, mild detergent, and make sure to rinse thoroughly with clean water. Allow to air dry completely before using. To machine wash, use a common laundry detergent and then tumble dry on low. During the cleaning, make sure to not steam clean, autoclave, or iron the cover. To disinfect the cover after cleaning, machine wash the cover in hot water using common laundry detergent. Tumble dry on low. Remember to also wash the foam cushions itself. With the cover still removed, wipe down the foam lightly with a damp cloth, making sure not to use soap. Once clean, let the cushion air dry completely. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. Our back lines make cleaning and disinfecting a breeze. For our agility line of back supports, separate the inserts and cover from the shell. To clean the shell and hardware, hand wash in warm water with soap and a sponge. Rinse with clean water and wipe dry with a clean cloth before allowing to air dry completely. To disinfect the back shell and hardware after cleaning, wipe gently with a cloth dampening with household disinfectant. Rinse with clean water and wipe dry with a clean cloth and then allow to air dry completely. To clean the cover, remove inserts from the covers first. Secure the hook and loop fastener strip on the handle. Turn the cover inside out and zip the cover closed to avoid any snagging. Machine wash the cover in warm water with mild detergent. Tumble dry on low. For a comfort line of back support, separate the inserts and cover from the back shell. To clean the shell hardware, hand wash in warm water with soap and a sponge. Rinse with clean water and wipe dry with a clean cloth before allowing to air dry completely. To disinfect the back shell and hardware after cleaning, wipe gently with a cloth dampened with household disinfectant. Rinse with clean water and wipe dry with a clean cloth and then allow to air dry completely. For cleaning the cover, remove inserts from the cover first and hand wash in warm water with mild soap. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and air dry completely before use. Alternatively, machine wash the cover in warm water with common laundry detergent. Tumble dry low. To disinfect the cover after cleaning, hand wash in warm water using 1 part household bleach per 9 parts warm water. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and allow to air dry completely before use. For cleaning the support foam inserts, wipe lightly with a damp cloth, making sure not to use soap. Wipe the inserts off with a clean cloth. Allow to air dry flat completely. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. For more detailed information and tip on cleaning your Permobil back support, consult with your cushion's user manual. Body link accessories and comfort accessories are simply to clean and disinfect. For all accessories, separate the cover and inserts from the hardware. To clean the hardware, hand wash using warm water with soap and a sponge. Rinse with clean water and wipe dry with clean cloth before allowing to air dry completely. To disinfect the hardware after cleaning, wipe gently with a cloth dampened with household disinfectant. Rinse with clean warm water and wipe dry with a clean cloth and then allow to air dry completely. For cleaning the covers, remove inserts from the covers first and hand wash in warm water with mild soap. Rinse thoroughly with a clean water and air dry completely before use. Alternatively, machine wash the cover in warm water with common laundry detergent. Tumble dry low. Remember not to steam clean, autoclave or iron the cover. To disinfect the cover after cleaning, hand wash in warm water using 1 part household bleach per 9 parts warm water. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and allow to air dry completely before use. For cleaning the inserts, wipe lightly with a damp cloth, making sure not to use a soap. Wipe the inserts off with a clean cloth. Allow to air dry flat completely. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. For more detailed information and tip on cleaning your Permobil accessories, consult your cushion's user manual. Next, let's take a look at what you can do to clean your Tilite manual wheelchair. To clean titanium polished or satin frames, use a soft cloth to clean the finish. If necessary, moisten the cloth with glass cleaner. If cleaning a painted frame, use a soft clean cloth with soap and water to clean the frame. Immediately dry all components and parts that become wet. You should also hand wash the seat sling and back upholstery using water with mild detergent. Always allow the upholstery to air dry completely before using the chair again. You may also use a soft clean cloth with soap and water to clean all other components. Immediately dry all the components and any components or other parts of the chair that became wet. To disinfect, moisten a soft clean cloth with a mixture of 1 part household liquid bleach to 9 parts of water. Wipe your frame and components. Give special attendance to components that receive frequent touching, like hand rims, push handles and wheel locks. Immediately dry all components and other parts of the chair that have become wet. While we are here, let's take a look at how to clean your SmartDrive. For our SmartDrive surfaces, you should use a soft cloth or sponge damped with hot water and mild detergent. Make sure to wipe down surfaces carefully, rinse or wipe with clean water and a soft cloth and get completely dry before next use. Make sure to take special care on not to get water on other liquids in various electronic components of your SmartDrive. And now, let's review what you can do to clean your Permobil power wheelchairs. Before we begin, remember to keep your wheelchair power off during this cleaning process. Generally, you should not use solvents or abrasive cleaners when cleaning your Permobil power wheelchairs. Let's start with some of the most touched surfaces that will need cleaning. The joystick, head and mouth controls, push handles, armrest and head support should all be cleaned regularly, along with other exposed surfaces, the seating system and chassis. For cleaning metal and plastic surfaces, you should use a soft cloth or sponge damped with hot water and mild detergent. Make sure to wipe down surfaces carefully. Rinse or wipe with clean water and a soft cloth and let completely dry before next use. Make sure to take special care not to get water or other liquids in the control panel or various electronic components of your chair. For any cloth or vinyl upholstery on your chair, wash with warm water and mild, non-abrasive soap with a soft cloth or brush. Before the surfaces dry, wipe off any water or cleaning residue with a clean, dry cloth. If necessary, upholstery covers may be removed and washed accordingly to the label instructions. After thorough cleaning, surfaces which come into direct contact with the user or caregivers can be treated with an EPA-registered disinfectant. Always remember to follow manufacturer's instruction for the product you are using. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. We hope that this video has been helpful, and remember to always refer to your owner manual for cleaning and care recommendations for your specific product. If you have any questions, please reach out to your dealer or contact the Permobil customer care team.